The HP cutter, powered by Suma, has a wonderful feature, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. These are core adapters or core ends that you place into a 3-inch core that you would use on the take-up reel for either the 315 or the 335. Now, I like printing to the take-up for either one of those printers. So very recently I did 4 different heat transfer films, and I ran long runs, so probably a half a roll to a full roll all at one time. And I queued up a whole bunch of different jobs, and each of the jobs ran in sequence. So it would do one job and do the next job and the next job. So this was a very long roll. Well, I'm not going to have that go all over the floor, so I put it on the take-up. So it's on a 3-inch core. And then I went away and I ran 4 printers doing 4 rolls. When I was done, I cut it off, and then I took these end caps, which are perfectly designed to slide into the end of it, and then on the back of the Suma, there's 2 little collars, and they have like a groove right in them. So when you place this in there and it goes in the groove, that roll can't go anywhere. It's right where you want it. And then what I did is I loaded it up onto the Suma, found the first barcode, and then sent the jobs going. Well, it found the first barcode, and then it cut everything, and then it rolled forward because the distance from one job to the next was about 4 or 5 inches, found the next barcode, and then proceeded to cut the next job, and then the next job, and then the next job. And it was perfect. And I had both of the cutters that I have, a 64 and a 54, running all day long, cutting all of this material, and everything would drop perfectly into the basket. And then when I was done, I just used the front panel and rolled everything right back up onto the core again, and now I have perfectly cut material all ready to go, all cut and ready to be weeded. So then I took that over to the cutting and weeding table, placed the 3-inch core onto the little holders, and then rolled everything out and weeded it. All good, all ready to go. Perfect heat transfer application. All of that is going to go to the trade show. So these things made that process so much easier. It made it very accurate, and it ensured that the roll can't go anywhere because it's perfectly into a groove and it's all being caught onto a 3-inch core using the take-up system from the latex printer. That's the integration of the printer and cutter, and these things are fantastic little tools. Just wanted you to know about them, what they're for. Anytime you're going to be doing a longer run, put it on a core, put it on a take-up, use these. The accuracy and tracking will be absolutely perfect on this cutter.